Hey, I promised you I'd show what else I bought at the Vide Maison, where they were selling the contents of a beautiful house with 3 generations of gifts. So you all know about this, and you guessed really well. It is, in fact, une pelle à pizza, or you could also call it a pelle à pain for taking the bread out of the oven. And as it turns out, I've got an ancient oven here that was used in early last century, and the village used to take turns of cooking the bread for a week. So in fact, the current mayor, who lives in La Forêt du Temple, her mum used to make the bread in this house using the oven behind. And I don't have one of these to go with it, so I'm absolutely thrilled. 30 euros, what a bargain. Love you, thanks for coming home with me. And thank you for the opportunity to be able to buy a piece of history. Okay, so then I found this in there. There was just so much stuff, so you just really had to take your time and look around. And this is a little jelly mold by the looks, or a cake mold. So that was cool, 5 euros. I bought a very cute purse for my change when I go to the markets. Do you like that? 1 euro, 2 compartments, all in perfect working order. I can never find that pesky change in the bottom of my bag, so that's great. I found these lovely old-fashioned serviettes with a little kind of wildflower of some kind on it. I just thought, how gorgeous would they be on a picnic, in the picnic basket? 5 euros. What else have I got? Oh, I thought this was pretty fab. Okay, maybe I should make you guess how much this was. I'll put you out of your misery. It was 8 euros. Oh my gosh, about $12 Australian. Or $8 US or something like that. Really beautiful. Just a nice thing on its own, doesn't need anything in it. And finally, I bought this set of scales called une balance à Roquefort or something like that. I have to look up what that last part means, but what I love about them is how they've all gone oxidized around the top. I won't be changing that. I love that. And I just love the whole sort of thing of the sort of, it looks to me like it's Victorian style metal, and they used to use the little pods or weights to, you know, you put your pears on one side, you put your weights on the other to find out how much it weighed. And of course I won't need to use them, but I just love them, and they're just gorgeous. And I don't have the actual weights to go with them, but there you go. And all of that, including the paddle, I think that's the 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I've shown them all. So for a grand total of 60 euros. So there you go, which is about 90 Australian dollars. A lot of fun shopping to get Brocante here. I can never take it home, of course, maybe the odd thing, but my bag's always full. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Lots of fun, and I'll keep you in touch with other ones that I do. We never know when they're going to pop up.